The Singer Simple sewing machine is quite a little power-packed machine with stitches that are both decorative, stretch stitches, and a stepped buttonhole. We've done over 20 videos now on this machine, and you can find those over at SewingMastery.com. But I just want to highlight some of the things that this machine will do and make it very, very easy. It is meant to be simple. It does come in other colors too, if teal isn't your color. We were doing free motion quilting with this machine. You do need an optional foot, but you can do it. You have a fabulous 4-step buttonhole that you can do, plus a foot that sews the buttons on, so super easy with that. If you have to do some mending, this machine does have that multiple point zigzag that I love to use to mend. If you've got a rip or a pair of pants that you just love, but now they have a hole in it where you can go back and forth, really easy. If you switch over to some fun threads, these stitches will look amazing stitched out. This is some variegated thread that we were playing with, and it's always fun to see them stitched out on fabric versus just the picture. It doesn't always show as nice over there. Plus, we can even do double needle work with this Singer Simple sewing machine. Being able to pick stitches, just turn the knob, pick your stitch length, and before you know it, you're sewing super easy. It's easy to thread, easy to clean, and easy to take care of. So I hope you'll check out some of our videos that we've done, whether you're purchasing this machine and seeing what it can do before you purchase it, or if you've already bought it, maybe you've struggled with it. All of our videos have great tips in them to show you what you can do to simplify the correct threading, the correct putting the needles in, and how to make sure the bobbin is in there 100% of the time, always correct. So thanks for watching, and if you have questions, definitely post them below the YouTube videos, and we will get to them as soon as we can. You will find these machines available at many Singer retailers.